each day, me and Jay are gonna go to Home Depot and finally make a pallet garden that I've been wanting to make since the quarantine started, but you know, sitting on the couch every day, we just didn't get to it, but we're getting to it now. So I'm gonna do like a pallet herb garden, and it's gonna be so adorable, and I just figured since I never do exciting things, and this is kind of exciting. It's very exciting for me. I don't know if it'll be exciting for you, but I'm gonna vlog it all, and hopefully we have an adorable little pallet garden to show for it, or maybe it'll just be a horrible fail. Who knows? But I'm so excited. This is actually, I've been looking at like pallet gardens on Pinterest since I was like in 7th grade, just like casually looking, obviously not actually thinking that I would like have my own because I was like so young, but today is the day, and 7th grade dreaming me will be so proud. We're here to start our gardening journey. Wait, where's lavender?
So I'm trying to find it right here.
Sage would be nice. Oh, peppermint for sure. We could do parsley.
Want to do thyme?
No, I feel like I never used thyme enough for me to like want to grow it.
Do you like parsley?
Yeah, because that's like always in recipes, and that's like one of the things I never have.
Sure.
So how many do we just get?
Basils, 1 chive lavender, 2 rosemarys.
We did it. We have brought home the pallet, and we're just gonna put it against this, and we bought like handles to put on the top so we can easily move it inside if it starts raining, but it's gonna obviously be outside for 90% of her life. Now he's so curious. It's okay, big boy. Daddy's building something.
Okay, buddy.
Oh, so cute. Hi, it's okay. Hi, it's okay.
No.
For the garden, we got these little terracotta pots because y'all know I love terracotta more than anything. And then we got these. These were in the plumbing aisle. I have no idea what they are, but they're just like, we're gonna just put them. Oh yeah, it said garden hose clamp, but it wasn't in the garden section. So we're gonna put them around like that, and then with this, we're gonna screw this like secured to the pallet thing. So hopefully she looks cute in the end. Just so that no one else has to ask another Home Depot employee. Those were just in the basic hardware section, and then this was a garden clamp, hose clamp thing, which was not in the garden section. They were both in the same aisle, I'm pretty sure. So we just secured that onto the pallet board with this, and then we're just gonna put the pots right in there. And then we also just put these handles, like I said, just so that we can bring it in easily without having to like pick up by the splintery boards every single time. This is her. I just think these pots look so adorable. So now we're gonna actually get to the planting. This is the future of our pots. We have parsley because I just feel like that's always in recipes. Basil, because duh. Peppermint, because it'll smell really nice and be able to be used in so many different things. Chives, garlic, which I actually thought chives and onion were the same thing, so I'm kind of confused by this, but we love a chive anyway. Rosemary, because another staple, and then lavender. I really want to start getting into like infused waters, so this will be really cool if I could do like a lavender water or tea or anything. So this will just be nice smell wise, and it's cool to grow. But we've already had our first garden fail because we bought this organic garden tone herb and vegetable food, not soil, but thankfully because of our microgreens we have some soil, otherwise we'd be screwed. Thankfully we have these because of the microgreens. Jay bought a ton, so this actually will turn into like a ton of soil. Grow, baby, grow. Grow,
Look at the water
baby,
disappearing
grow.
everywhere.
She thick. Hopefully that's not so much basil. I'm assuming some of the seeds will die, so these will be like the strongest of the basil. We'll have alpha basil. If you use too many seeds, it gives you the strongest plants that could possibly happen. And that's a garden fact. All right, I'm coming at you guys literally weeks and weeks and weeks later. Like 3 weeks at least, probably 4, maybe 5, who could know. And we will update you on the pallet garden. So she's super cute, first of all. Just have to make that clear. So we have this random plant. I don't even know what it is. Mom got it for me for Easter. She's cute, but I have no idea what it is. Tomato plant, which also we got for Easter from my parents, and she is thriving. We are about to have so many tomatoes. This is Jay's compost bin, and then this is the pallet garden. She's so cute. She's kind of a fail. This one and this one both have some life going on, but I don't even know what they are. That's all right. So we have some basil. What? It looks like it says rose on the. We wrote the name on the bottom of the pot. Rose. I know we didn't plant rose, so I have no idea what this could be. What the heck? Okay, well, she's living, so that's good. And we have basil to go with our tomatoes, so things are working out, but we're probably gonna just scrap these and buy some of our own already started plants and then just go from there, because this was just too much work for us to not have anything, but clearly we are not getting what we wanted out of it. All right, we have an update. The rose means rosemary. Jay just told me. I forgot we planted rosemary. So rose means rosemary, I guess. Welcome to the final installment of the pallet garden vlog. It's been a long time coming, but we finally have repotted all the plants so they look super cute. We got a replacement plant. We're not giving up on all of the plants just yet. And I finally got a chalk marker, so I'm just gonna make her look cute and make a little montage moment, and then we'll see how it goes.